Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're going to look at My Kink is Karma by Chappell Roan. This song is so simple, one pattern just about gets us all the way through. First we'll look at the chords individually that make up the song, we'll look at the pattern, the order we put those chords into, and then we will look at the song tutorial as a whole. Those moments are in the chapters and key moments below. Let's get going. This is in the key of A, so our first chord is an A major. A, C sharp, E. That's our A major chord, A, C sharp, E. Next, we have a C sharp minor. Start on C sharp, then give me an E and a G sharp. C sharp minor on C sharp, E, G sharp. We'll then do a G major 7, so that's a G, B, D, and an F sharp. That's our G major 7. G, B, D, it's the regular G major, and then the F sharp is the 7th note above it, and the sharp is just in the key signature, so we know the F can't be natural, has to be sharp on the major 7. And the last chord we need is a D major. D, F sharp, A. D major on D, F sharp, A. The verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus all have the same pattern. We just go between those 4 chords, one to the next. We start on the A for 2 measures. Then we do the C sharp minor for 2 measures. G major 7, 2 measures. Then give me that D major for 2 measures. It repeats. I'm adding roots in the left hand, C sharp minor. Roots in the left hand, chords in the right hand. Inversion, same notes. Repeats. The only time that pattern changes is in the bridge. We just go back and forth between the A and the D, nothing else. Bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. And it builds. Those are all the chords. Those are all the patterns. Let's take a look at this song as a whole. All right, we start on that A major chord. Roots in my left hand, meaning just the chord's name. Fills out the texture. Put the chord in my right hand. A 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Verse 1. C sharp minor to G major 7. Stole my cue to steady. D major. Feel the beat. It's calm. Verse 1 is still happening. G major 7, you're losing it lately. Back with your band. Pre-chorus, it's hot. Same pattern, and you can, oh God. Start building. Oh God, oh God. 1, 2, 3. You're mine. Same pattern, more texture. But my kink is karma. Verse 2, ready, and an A. April, and I'm doing better. D. Pre-chorus, but it's hot. back to A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, get me up, it's A, it's A, it's D, it's D, it's A. People say I'm jealous, but my kink is watching. That's the whole song, really. You can keep having fun with the texture, how little, how big, how low, how high, spread it out, shrink it, play with the pattern and the rhythm between hands. See what you come up with. I loved playing with you today. I had so much fun. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.